Another tool we have in CorelDRAW is the Polygon tool. So the shortcut is Y. So here it is. Here it is. It is used to draw polygon by dragging in the drawing windows. So you can use to draw polygon, which is for 5-sided polygon, even triangle, which is 3-sided polygon, hexagon, 6-sided polygon, and nonagon. And you can make it to be in this form. So let's type in. Let me keep this by the side as guide. Control change it to pick 2. So let's take this to the side and use the pan tool to shift. Like that. So the polygon tool, Y. So to draw a polygon, drag where you want to place it, holding down Control if you want to draw a polygon with equal sides. So once you hold the Control down, and click on this place, hold Control down. So can you see it's giving us a polygon similar to this one. So we can go down to adjust the number of sides or points on a selected polygon. Type a value in the number of points or sides on polygon star and complex star box on the properties bar. So let's duplicate this. Come to edit, duplicate or clone. D. So can we see it? So this is what I mean. This is the proper point, number of points or side here. So we can put it any amount. You can put 6. Can you see it? Let's duplicate. Control D. Can you see it? Let's make this one. Which is, let's make it 9. Can you see it? So this is how it is. You can decide to make this one 3. So can you see it? So let's make it more complex by Control D. Let's make it more complex and change the size to, you can increase it here if you wish. Yeah, but if you have a specific amount number you want to use, you can just type it. Let's make it like 20. So let's read what they say. To change the polygon right here, to change the polygon shape, click on the shape tool. The shape tool is very important. It works on all the tools. So shape tool. So can you see it? This is what you can do with a shape tool. Mirror the editing drag mode. Can you see? This is what it works for. So let's just do this. I will be doing this with it. This one, change the points. So this is what we'll do. Let's make it a little bit complex. Okay, let me just zoom down. Zoom level to selection. So this place, using the shape tool. Then you can drag this down. Can you see it? You can hold Control to keep. Can you see it? So we change the tool to take this up. So you drop it. If you right click, shape tool. Let me return it back to how it is. So let's say this is how it is. So using the shape tool, you can just highlight, click outside and drag to cover this. Selected. So you can now, since you have highlighted everything with the shape tool, you click on convert to curve. Convert to curve here. Then you drag it down any of the node. Look on through. Look on through. Can you see that the edges are not sharp, they are rounded? So properly view it very well. You can make it 20, let's see. Can you see it? You cannot drag down to see how it is. So this is how it is. So to page. So I think we have achieved this. So this is how it is. This is what you need to know about the Polygon tool.